The Hege company is a specialist of electric material for electric installation and distribution in the buildings. And we think that this electromobility will be part of this installation. That means you will have a device at home enabling the charging of your car. And that's why we are strongly involved in these new activities. Historically, we are producing protection devices. We are producing enclosures for the electric installation of buildings, and these new activities to enable charging of cars is part of this field, and that's why we enter in this area. And for us, this is a new business opportunity and a new way to complete our offer. This system will need intelligence in the future, because to give you an idea, a car, the consumption to load a car is the same as for your building. So you double your electric consumption. These projects, such as smart grids, care about all this electric management. And for this huge amount of energy, we will need to load the cars in a clever way. And we have to introduce some intelligence to know now there is a peak in consumption. We have to delay the charging of the car, or during the night, for example, there is a current available and a good opportunity to load the car. In Nice, the project is a car sharing project based on electric cars. This is quite new, and we were involved as an infrastructure provider. This was a very good experience for us, because it's a way for us to learn about these new technologies and also to become credible in this area. Today, the biggest problem is the price of everything, especially the cars. Everything is expensive, and it's expensive because it's the beginning. The cars, the infrastructure, the batteries are produced in small quantities, so the costs are still high, and the challenge is to start the activity so that the quantities will go up, and when the quantities go up, you can go from small quantity process to high quantity industrial process, and then the costs will drop down, and then the market really starts. Today, what is missing are the cars. We have a very small amount of cars. Now the next step will be Renault is launching a complete range of cars. This will be interesting, and we'll see what happens. I think it will take a few years. The acceptance is not a problem. There are some issues maybe about the range and all these kind of things, but people having tested an electric car are enthusiastic, because it's really nice to drive an electric car. It's especially in cities, it's very comfortable, it's noiseless. So when you try it, you adopt it.